Hi, this is Litre from Toyota Parts Plus. Today we have a 2022 Toyota Yaris Cross, stock number 6059. This ran from 06 2020 to the current shape. It has an XP210 1.5 litre petrol hybrid engine backed by 10-speed automatic transmission. This is the XP 1.5 litre petrol hybrid engine. Front bonnet, no dents. The front door mirror. Left rear 16-inch factory alloy mag flat tyre. Left rear tail light. Rear tailgate, no dents. Right rear tail light. Right rear 16-inch factory alloy mag tyre. Right rear door, no dents. Right front door, no dents. Right front door mirror. Right front guard, no dents. Right front 16-inch factory alloy mag tyre. Right front headlight. Right front door card, right front master switch, centre console, automatic gear shifter, heater AC controls, factory touchscreen satnav stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke leather steering wheel, instrument cluster,